Guru do this. Okay. How do you do this now? I don't know where we are. Where are we? Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda Jaya Advaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda Jaya Advaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta ज्ञानतिमन्दस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकाय चक्षुरुमितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपकदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरुं श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरुं वैष्णवंश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगणरघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपदां सहगणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितंश्च हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कान्त राधा कान्त नमस्ते भक्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरि वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री गुरुदेव श्री सद्गुरु हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे राम नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूते प्रणोपादति प्रिय श्री गिरिराजाय सौम्य सुभक्ष रामदास बिहारी प्रिय विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूते विष्णुते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी नामे नमस्ते सारस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणी निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य मुखम करोति वाचालं करोति गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरो दीनतारिणम् Hare Krishna, so welcome back to our reading Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita, Adi Lila, chapter 14. We are on Lord Chaitanya Charitamrita. Just give me 1 minute. I'll be back. Oh, it's getting very stuffy in here. All right, so this is Lord Chaitanya's childhood pastimes. So Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is doing Leela. At the same time, he's teaching so many philosophy. So remember that Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has come to give us the most confidential love of Krishna, love of Godhead. So he's removing all the different obstacles. And the main one that we will discuss is more about the Mayavad philosophy. Why? Because Mayavad philosophy became very much prevalent all over Bharatvarsh. So the main, like even Srila Prabhupada's Pranam mantra says, Namaste, Saraswati Devi, Gauravani Prachari, Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatari. So mission of Srila Prabhupada, which is mission of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, is to remove impersonalism and Mayavad philosophy from the lives of the people who are inquiring about the absolute truth. So we are in text 77. Sachivale yaha putra bulaha bapire matriya vyapaya prabhu chalila bahire. Once Mother Sachi told the Lord, please go call your father. Receiving this order from his mother, the Lord went out to call him. Chalite charane pura baje jhan jhan shuni chamak chamakita haila pitamataraman. When the child was going out, there was a tinkling of ankle bells from his lotus feet. Hearing this, his father and mother were struck with wonder. Mishra kahe bara adbhuta kahini shishura shunya pare tenen purera dhvani. Jagannath Mishra said, this is a very wonderful incident. Why is there a sound of ankle bells from the bare feet of my child? Sachi kahe arae ka adbhuta dekhila divya divya loka si angana harila. Mother Sachi said, I also saw another wonder. People were coming down from the celestial kingdom and crowding the entire courtyard. Tiba kola halakare bhuj bhuj tena pari kahake vastuti kare anumana kare. They made noisy sounds I couldn't understand. I guess they were offering prayers to someone. Mishra bale kichu hau, chinta kichu nai, Vishwam bharera kushalaha, yematrachai. Jagannath Mishra replied, never mind what it is. There is no need to worry. Let there always be good fortune. Vishwambhara, this is all I'm about. Ekadina Mishra putrera chapalya dekhiya, dharma shiksha dila bahu hartsana kariya. On another occasion, Jagannath Mishra, seeing the mischievous acts of his son, gave him lessons in morality after rebuking him greatly. Ratre swapne dekha eka asi brahmana, Mishrera kahaya kichi sarosha vachana. On that very night, Jagannath Mishra dreamt that a Brahmana had come before him, speaking these words in great anger. Mishra tumi putrera tatva kichuna jana, bharasana danakara putra karimana. My dear Mishra, you do not know anything about your son. You think him your son, and therefore you rebuke and chastise him. Mishra kahe deva siddha muni ke nanai. Se ye se bara how matra amarat tanai. Jagannath Mishra replied, this boy may be a demigod, a mystic yogi, or great saintly person. It doesn't matter what he is, for I think he's only my son. Putrera lalana shiksha pitara swadharma. Amina sikhaile ke che janibe dharma marna. It is the duty of a father to educate his son in both religion and morality. If I do not give him this education, how will he know of it? Viprarakahe putrayadi deva siddhahai. Swata siddhap jnana tabe shiksha vyarthahai. The Brahmana replied, if your son is a transcendent mystic boy with self-effulgent perfect knowledge, what is the use of your education? Purport. The Brahmana Jagannath Mishra saw in his dream told him that his son was not an ordinary human being. If he were a transcendent person, he would have self-effulgent knowledge, and thus there would be no need to educate him. What is this self-effulgent knowledge? self-effulgent knowledge. Swata Siddha Gyan, self-illuminated perfect knowledge. What is that?
Well, it means that he's an incarnation, isn't it? He's the one that's effulgent. That's
Swata Siddha Gyan, self-illuminated perfect knowledge. What is that?
We are not the body. We are the soul. That's the perfect knowledge. So he was aware of it.
Swata Siddha Gyan, meaning he's not in ignorance, right? All of us, we are in ignorance. We identify with our body, right? But self-effulgent and self-illuminated perfect knowledge. Right?
transcendental.
Yeah, Swataha Siddha Gyan. Our natural constitution is to have knowledge. Right? Our natural constitution is to know we are Krishna's servant. And Krishna himself, he